How to send money to a PayPal account. Hey there, welcome to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To send the money to a PayPal account, what you can do is you can launch a PayPal application in your device, or you can open up a browser and type in paypal.com. Now once you are in here, make sure to log in into your account if you have not yet. In your PayPal app, you should see the option of send money. If not, you can click on the three horizontal line in the left-hand corner, then click on the send button. Now to send money to the PayPal account, you need to enter the name, username, email, and mobile number of the PayPal holder. After that, you can enter the amount of money that you wish to send to the designated PayPal account. After that, enter your verification code. Then tap on the confirm button once you have checked out all of the details. That is how you'll be able to send money to a PayPal account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.